Ava, sit back. Ava, get your knees down. Ava. Push on that knee, Ava. Get that half guard. Good. Ava, sit back in posture. Rotate that arm back in. Good. Grab her wrist and sit back. Ava, don't sit back. Ava, get on your knees. Get on your knees. Grab her arm and pull it. Ava, sit up. No, stop stacking. Look. Heel her off and sit up. Ava, get your posture. Bite those hands. Grab her hands. Ava, grab her hands. Ava, stop sitting back. Stay on your knees. Grab the hands. Good. Ava, stop grabbing her head and grab her hands. Ava, grab her hands and sit back. Don't sit up. Don't get your foot up. Just sit on your butt. Grab her hands and posture up. Grab her hands and posture up. Good. Hey, no, don't push it with your hands. Sit up. Dig with your elbows. Look up.
Coach Randall from 10th Planet Riverside to ring number 10. Coach Randall from 10th Planet Riverside, ring 10.
Stop grabbing Ava. You gotta push her back in the half guard. Ava, you gotta push her back in the half. Push on that knee. Get that leg in flat. Ava, pull that handle back across to the other side. Ava, bring your hand to the other side.
Like I say, if I face down and guard down,